For the back base, make a slip knot and crochet 35 chains. After chaining 35, chain 2. Make a half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Work half double crochet and complete the chains. This is actually round 1 for the base. Crochet 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. This is how you need to increase in the edges of your bag. I have increased 2 half double crochet here, and you'll need to work 2 half double crochet to end up the row. Increase only in the edges. Here we have increased 2 half double crochet, so work 2 half double crochet here as well. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join. Chain 1. Work half double crochet till the edge. It's time to increase now. Work 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. Work 1 half double crochet without increasing. Work 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. Increase into the edge and complete the round, like how I have shown you. Now let's crochet round 3. Work half double crochet till the edge. Increase. 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 Again increase into the next. Your back piece is complete. Chain 3. Now, only in this row you will need to crochet back loop, double crochet in each stitches with no increase. Slip stitch into the chain 3 space and join. Now work another 7 rows of double crochet, inserting in both the front and back loop. This is how your bag will look like after crocheting 7 rows. Chain 3. Skip 1 chain and work double crochet into the next stitch. So chain 1, skip and double crochet into the next stitch. So chain 1, skip and double crochet into the next stitch. Skip 1 chain and work double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this and complete the row. Slip stitch into the chain 3 space. So from now, it's a 2-row repeat. Chain 3. Work double crochet in all the stitches. So repeat these 2 rows. Now I'll show you how to crochet the strap. Single crochet in each stitches until you have 2 stitches left. Make a decrease into the last 2 stitches. Crochet 3 more rows of single crochet decrease in each of the corner. Crochet 23 rows without decreasing. After crocheting 23 rows without decreasing, again decrease 4 rows. And when you have 6 stitches left, crochet 8 rows without decreasing. After crocheting 8 rows without decreasing, increase in the sides. Two row repeat from here. Crochet without increasing. Again increase. Repeat until you have 3 rows of increasing. After that, decrease and then normal stitches. Decrease and then normal stitches. Repeat until you have no stitches left. Slip stitch into the borders of the bag. So this is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today's video. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.